to my channel. So today we are going to see stocks. First off is Reliance. We'll start with price action. So we are going to check for August month. Open is here. This was high and this was low and this was close. As of now, open is equal to close. This is for the third week stats. Okay, third week of August. That means the decay is positive up till now for Reliance FNO. Okay, now we'll move on. And this is HDFC Bank. When you check for August month, this was open as well as high. This was low and this was close. Okay, so here also you could see it was a gap up, which was today's market, and then it just went sideways. Here also positive decay for week 3. Okay, already week 2 and week 1 was positive. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank is still struggling. So when you see for August month, this was open as well as high and then low. So it is here and the close is very closer to low, and also the call writing has been more than the put writing. That means resistance is more in the market for ICICI, and I don't think so it is having a positive decay. Okay, we'll go to the OI chart for more confirmation. So I'm going to take Reliance. So this is Reliance. In the daily chart, you could see how the price action moved. It was completely sideways, but in the total, it clearly says that resistance is more in the market for Reliance. But understand, open was equal to close. That means the price action is not supporting OI very much. Now we have HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank showing sideways move, and also you could see it's 18 and 30, not much of a difference. HDFC also has the condition of open equals to low for week 3, and week 3 condition for ICICI, resistance is completely strong and it matches with the price action as well, because the close is very close to low. Now we will see the close range. We'll start with Reliance. So lot size is 500. OTM when you check, it is 83 and 27. So clearly call rating is more. Now we'll check for HDFC Bank. If you check for HDFC Bank, you could see it's 22 and 20. So almost equal, and HDFC is struggling now which side to go. Okay, we'll take ICICI Bank. It's 21 and 10. So clearly there's a difference. ICICI is still facing heavy resistance. Now we'll do a small price action comparison. So first off we'll take is Reliance. So we have Reliance here. I'm going to take Reliance chart. So by watch list you could see it was gap up plus all the stocks were building upside view. Okay, now we'll check Reliance. So this is Reliance chart, 15 minutes, and then you could see the price action. I'll keep this to the previous close so that you could see how much the support was strong for Reliance. Okay, when you check for open, it was the 80, the yellow line, and it is definitely positive from 38 to 36. It's 2 points. Okay, now let's squeeze in and calculate the price action. So let me do the P&L calculation for Reliance. One lot is 500. Positive decay is open minus close, that is 2 points. So now when you calculate 500 times 2, that is positive 1k plus tax and brokerage. So definitely it was open and close almost similar. That's why you could see the decay is positive. If the price is stuck in the same zone, the decay would be very fast. So only in the first half long straddle was winning. The second half completely short straddle were winners here. Okay, so this is how price action moves for Reliance for expiry. This is week 3, day 2 actually, because Friday was day 1, it was a holiday. So today it's Monday, day 2. Okay, so we'll move on. We'll quickly check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. I'll move to price action. So this is price action. You could see here it is previous close and clearly weak resistance and strong support. Okay, so you could see resistance is falling though. And then when you check for open, it's 2000 and this was a profitable trade. Next we'll go to ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank price action. We move this to previous close. Okay, so this is previous close. Open, it had a gap up but couldn't sustain. So you could see it was lingering here. So open and close is these conditions. When you check for open price, it was 40 and then you could see it was a positive decay. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you.